Let's get you some movers. Here's Romaine.
Yeah, John, let's start off here, of course, with the Biden administration set to sign this executive order, pretty sweeping executive order seeking to target competition out there across a wide variety of industries. The market reaction so far, though, has been relatively muted. You can see Facebook down about 0.2%. Comcast, which, of course, would be affected by some of the net neutrality rules that the Biden administration is seeking to revive. Those shares only down about 0.2%. And the railroads actually slightly higher, though we should point out the railroads actually had sold off yesterday because of concern about this executive order, which, of course, is also going to target some of the shipping costs as well. It's interesting to see how much saber rattling the Biden administration does, but more importantly, how much follow-through there is, because we've been here before, even with previous administrations, concerned about consolidation, concerned about competition, but ultimately not a whole lot came out of it. You flip up the board, the other big story here that we're going to be talking about, particularly heading into next week, of course, is the start of the earnings season. The big banks, of course, kicked that off, including Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, and the like. Those stocks getting a little bit of a bid today. That might partly be because of what we're seeing in the yield space, but also relatively high expectations here going into that earnings season. And keep an eye on GM. Dan Ives out with an interesting note this morning. Of course, he's been relatively bullish on Tesla for a while and its EV strategy. Now, he's bullish on GM and its EV strategy, initiating coverage there, really saying that GM now, one of those companies that not only is managing to catch up with Tesla, but more importantly has the potential, guys, to actually get out in front of it.